When we do purchase using membership card for many months, at one point of time they will have the data set of us, which tells how our brain think. Machine learning is about two things, data and algorithm. Now we will write the algorithm which will send a mail with all baby products which is required for a 2 years kid. Please click on subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell symbol to get notified about new videos. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Vinoth Tutorials. Today we are going to learn the introduction to machine learning. Before that, in the previous video, I have mentioned that I'll be posting next topic as tricks to choose AI project, but I felt like we must know few more AI terminology so that when I explain about how to choose AI project, it will be easier for you to understand. Let's start today's topic. As usual, I will explain a scenario, then it will be compared to the definition. I believe you went to shopping with your family members at least once, and shops like grocery, jewelry, dress, any high-tech shops. At the time of billing, they will ask, do you have membership card? Sometimes to make us feel great, they will say a royalty membership card or privileged customer. If you are a regular customer, definitely you will buy that card. Just because of two reasons, they said you are privileged or royal customer, and next reason it's free of cost. But that's the first trap we are entering into machine learning world. How? When we do purchase using membership card for many months, at one point of time they will have the data set of us, which tells how our brain think. In this example, we can see 10 transactions of a single customer who purchased 5 products like A, B, C, D, E in different combination. In that product D, the customer purchased 9 times out of 10 transactions. It means 90% chances or probability that customer will buy the product D for sure. Like this, if a customer is having multiple membership cards, what are all the details we can get from a customer? For sample, I just mentioned 3 scenarios. First, what are all the mandatory product the customer is buying? Example, handbags for girls and electronic items for boys. And second, for which specific product the customer is not worried about cost. Example, baby product. And the third one, which company product the customer is buying. In case of mobile phones, it is whether Apple phone or Samsung or Lenovo. It can be anything. Now you may think what we can do with this data. Machine learning is about two things, data and algorithm. Now data we have it already, the transaction details and product details. Now we have to design and train the algorithm based on those data. To know more about algorithm, please check my previous video. I have already explained about algorithm. Now we got an AI project. We have to write an algorithm or design an algorithm based on data set to increase the profit level of the business and tempt more customer for bulk purchase. How you will do it? First scenario, I will share my algorithm planning. Maybe if you have an additional scenario or some other plan, you can post it in the comment. The customer would have given the email ID and mobile number at the time of registration. So our program must send the email or SMS to that particular customer on first day of every month, that is on salary day. And the email must contains their favorite product with offers. Like new handbags arrived, 20% offer for privileged customers with few images of the latest handbags in the email. Then new headset for music lovers with 50% offer. We used to get these types of mails from Amazon, Flipkart, right? It is all based on the algorithm. By sending these types of mails to the customer, there are more possibilities that the customer will purchase it for sure, because that's how their mind works. The second scenario, the customer is buying a specific product without worrying the cost, that is a baby products. From analyzing the baby products, we can categorize it as per their age, 1, 2, 3 years. With this data, we can come to a conclusion that they have a 2-year baby. Now we will write the algorithm which will send a mail with all baby products which is required for a 2 years kid with bulk offers. Third scenario, this data analysis give me which mobile or which specific model is liked by most of the customers. Based on the result, I will give offer on that particular model and attract more customers. This data will be also shared to the mobile companies, which will be useful for their R&D purpose to design their next product properly. And sample like exchange offer for iPhone customers on X models, then buy any Samsung mobile with 20% offer. This is another way we have to design our algorithm. The same recommendation algorithm is used by Amazon, Flipkart, Netflix, iTunes. In the previous example, I have mentioned the transaction and the algorithm planning for a single customer. Suppose if we have a million users as regular customer, we can't write a separate program for each customer, which is not a feasible solution. So the only way is we have to write a common algorithm based on few logics so that it will be used for all the customers. As I already said, machine learning is about data and algorithm. Hope you understood the importance of data and algorithm we design and train them for all the customers. Let's see the definition now. This is my own definition. Just for understanding purpose, I made it in easier words. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. It means in AI we have many areas, in that machine learning is one of the subset. So we should not think artificial intelligence and machine learning are same. Both are different. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, then which works based on self-learning algorithm using past experience or data set. In our example, we created an algorithm based on transaction details. That's what mean to say using past experience or data set. But here self-learning algorithm. A self-learning algorithm is nothing but the algorithm which will learn by itself and take own decision or prediction. How can an algorithm can think by itself? If you still have this query, it can be done using 3 ways: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Using these 3 ways, we can make our algorithm as a self-learning algorithm. Each topic will be explained in the next video. So till that, just remember only one thing: self-learning algorithm is the algorithm can think by itself for a decision making. Then the final statement is without being explicitly programmed. In our scenario, for new customers also, the algorithm will recommend the product even though we didn't code for that particular customer. It has the ability to work for a scenario which we didn't code. That's what I mean to say. Few more definitions from good source. If we compare these definition with our example, it will match. And moreover, you no need to worry about this definition because we are not going to write any exam, but you must know the importance of data set and algorithm. In the next video, we will learn about supervised learning with practical example. That's the end of today's session. In case of any clarification, please mail me or you can directly ping me to LinkedIn ID. And don't forget to give your feedback so that it will be corrected in my next video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.